We are at Larimer Square. This is one of the places that we wanted to check out. I love the flags, I love the vibes here. We're ready to grab some food and check out this scene here.
We're heading to the Rocky Mountains to walk around Denver, Colorado, and to visit our good friends Hannah and Lucas. Our first stop in our Colorado tour takes us to Golden, Colorado, home of the legendary Coors Brewery.
Let's go get some drinks.
We were amazed how knowledgeable everyone we encountered was. Even the shuttle driver had a wealth of knowledge to share.
With an investor.
Coors Banquet, Coors Light, those are our two flagship products. Actually have a chance to sample those. Basically decided to build this brewery right here in Golden, Colorado because of the excellent quality of the Rocky Mountain water.
We didn't retain much information, to be honest, but we got to sample some of Coors' most famous brews.
Gotta get that picture of the Blue Moon also.
Blue Moon's actually one of my favorites. I didn't know it was part of Coors.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is not good post-leg day.
What do you have today?
Bar week. The Coors Light Lounge. I want to get something for Hannah for her birthday. What do moms like? What do moms like?
Moms like tote bags.
Moms love tote bags.
Cheers. How was the tour?
It was wonderful. We had so many drinks.
We headed back to downtown Denver to check out Larimer Square, Denver's oldest and most iconic block. Today, Larimer Square is a beautifully preserved historic district with bustling restaurants and lively nightlife.
We just happened to run into Denver on St. Patrick's Day, so everywhere's poppin'. We just passed an Irish pub over there. I even saw like a band playing like on the sidewalk. This club over here, they're playing house music. I don't know if you can hear it.
What is this place? Apollo? Oh, Apollo Hall. Right there, right there. God, they're like ready to party.
We got to bask in the beautiful Victorian architecture, try out a delicious burger place, and explore a unique boutique.
It's quite the garage sale. There's a bar in here.
That's awesome. Are you a fan of hot sauce?
I love hot sauce. Meow. Looks mega trippy already. Yeah. Good. Long time no see. How are you? Long time.
Just gonna ask how the vlogging is going.
The what?
We're vlogging right now.
Vlogging?
We went into the bar to get some booze before we fully enjoy our trippy experience.
Dude, it's crazy.
This is a really pretty lounge.
I like the vibes
know,
of
right?
this place.
Whoa. Oh my God. I love these, like, everything. I can't wait. Oh my God. What?
This is cool.
Dude, this literally feels like Omega Mall. Trying the director. I'm calling mainline. Hello? Voicemail? To speak to a teller, press 1.
Oh!
All tellers are busy. Wow. What happened? Oh, what is that?
Is this a game?
Oh, dude, I did legs yesterday.
Hold your drink.
That's okay. I'm independent. Oh, I didn't even see this one.
Trippy.
Oh my God. Oh.
Another trap.
Oh my God. Out damn spot. It's Brown Grimace.
Are here, Vincent.
Wait.
Brown Grimace.
Fight.
I'm not attacking.
Fight.
Wait, I'm pressing stuff. It's broken. This is a scam. Wait, he has no arm. I can't tell what's the wall and what's glass. So where's the bar? Touch it.
So we are here at Denver Botanical Gardens. It's such a lovely day out. I just took a look at a map of this place and it seems to be really huge. So many gardens to explore, so many landmarks to capture videos of. My group is just getting some waters right now. It seems like a very family-oriented place to be and we're excited to check it out.
Autumn, you're almost done with your cookie. You want another one? The treehouse, the treehouse, the treehouse. How's the treehouse?
There you are, Tessa vibes.
Not a pool.
Yeah, this really does give Arteza vibes. Asdevalia cassiope.
That is a very unique flower. It looks like a stingray almost.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Hannah was saying that there's this one plant that is really rare and only blooms once a year. Garden research students actually come here to research more about that plant.
How long do you think it's like an hour?
Very pretty art installation.
Look at this. I'm a plant and this is my, what is it called? The greenhouse.
You're supposed to take them out like once a month and soak it in water.
I see. Okay, that's what I kind of
And
am
then you
doing.
take it out and hang it back. I used to have one at my studio.
It's so
when I lived
pretty.
downtown.
I've never seen it in real life. It's a great resting spot. You want to sit? Here, let me help you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look. You want to see this? Come in here and they can rest. It is a little log. There might be fish, but maybe not. The fish.
This garden is really nice.
Slow down, hey? She's coming. We're gonna go together, hey? Oh, keeps going. Let's go, let's go. Yo, hey. I'm dizzy. I'm really dizzy. I want to throw up.
We say goodbye to Hannah and Lucas's family and went our own way to Union Station, where it would take us to the airport.
We're at the 16th Street Mall. Dude, this place looks amazing. All the hotels are here. Like, I saw the Westin, the Ritz-Carlton down there. They literally block up all these streets so that people can walk around. So
Basically an outdoor mall with a series of shops. The green one is the shy one.
that's brilliant.
Yeah, that's me. I'm shy. This one, the pink one, of course. This one is kind of struggling.
It's almost like go here to shop and work, and then shop more after working.
Shop and work. Oh, this clock tower is also a cabaret. That's
Oh,
cute.
no way. Cheesecake Factory. More cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Was it taiyaki?
Yeah, this taiyaki.
I can't do any more sugar.
I would get it if I wasn't so sugared out.
Just slow down on the alcohol because we drank so much yesterday.
Yeah. This place looks very lit, but it's a Sunday and our flight's at 1 a.m. We don't want to drink anymore.
Right there.
There's an ugly coyote right here.
Right there. Hey. We just walked most of 16th Street. It looked really, really nice. I wish this wasn't the last few minutes that we have or last few hours that we have in Denver. Otherwise, we would be finding a place to sit down and drink and have some fun. Maybe even go bowling, whatever it is to do around here. Just looks like there's so much to do. But I think this means that we'll have to plan another trip to Denver, you know, beyond for just nature. I think there's another, we can just do another time like just in downtown Denver, right? But this time it was the first time and I felt like there was a lot more to explore for us. So next time we have to just stick around here. We're going to take the light rail straight to the airport where we could check in and then fly back home. I actually really like this place and we have some friends here, so we have an excuse to come back here.
Yes.
And eat more Rocky Mountain oysters. We made it to our final stop, the Union Station of Denver. This is, of course, another tourist and attraction spot we had to check out, and we saved this one for last because this one is also going to take us to the airport. Oh, we could buy tickets here. Here's our train. We're going to the airport. On the way home. On the way home. To the airport. Bye, Denver. Until next time.